Boy, make sure you bring those things inside. Bring them upstairs.
Olisa nyela anyị nwa ma ya jiri ego ya ọ bụlife eji ego mmụọ ogbenye agaghị ego taa Chukwu mee ebere nye onye ọbụla nwa. Where are my grandchildren? Where are they?
Welcome to my house.
Hey! Thank you. Your house is
grandchildren
beautiful.
Yes.
I can't wait to see them.
Now let me take you to your room first.
Hey, room, okay.
Take them to the kitchen.
Hey. Okay. Hey. Thank you. Hey.
Mama, the kids are here. You can come see them when you're done. Honey, the babies are downstairs. In case you are looking for your baby. What are you doing here? You are dead. Can't stay away from me. You are dead.
What's the problem? I heard you talking. Who's here?
No one. I mean, I was talking to you.
Oh, you were? You were talking to the babies. You were almost screaming down the... Joe? Joe!
Hey! Now, Momo, see my children. Hey! My dear, congrats. Congrats. Hey! No.
She has finished eating.
Ah.
She has finished eating and sleep. So that mommy can see. You want to open your eyes, eh? You don't want to sleep. You don't want to sleep.
Hello? Are the materials at the site? Oh, I'm so sorry. I wasn't with my phone. Okay, I'm coming to the site right away. Thank you, Mas. Alright, bye. work time.
You know I love you so much. I don't know what you say, my sister, that you I have everything now.
How can you be saying this? But we are dating now.
I know what. I love you. I want you to leave my sister entirely and follow me. I love you.
No, I can't do that. See, I love you, and I love your sister too. I love both of you together. Even I love making love to both. I love making love to both of you together.
What did I hear you say? You love making love with my two daughters. Hey! Emeka, I will make sure that all the elders of this community must hear.
Hey! No.
And I will make sure that you will be banished from this land. If not coming,
See, don't talk to your father.
if you come near me, I will kill you.
Please don't do that.
You will get
Talk to your father. Are you in the marriage now? I will give you to
Papa Chelo, you will get
Please, Papa, please now.
You will get from me. Yeah, you have the mind in that actually my two daughters. Only you. Hey! I will hear from you. Only you. Now actually my two daughters. I will deal with you. I will deal with you. It's either you are banished from this land or I will be banished. Don't come near me.
Papa, please.
Don't cause me to kill you.
Papa, please, I'm sorry.
Hey!
Now you
Papa, I didn't
Enough for my two daughters. Enough for my two daughters.
Kennedy is a destined child. Congratulations once again. Thank you so much. I heard that the land case between Febuche family and the West family has been adjourned to the next Afro market day.
And what is there to talk about again? What? I've made my point clear. I told him vividly that that land belongs to Ifebuche's family. Period. I don't know why Onowu and his cohort, I don't know why they are bent in collecting that land from that young man. Huh? I can't fix it.
The reason is obvious. Money. Udukwes first son, living in America, must have tipped them. If not, I don't see the reason why they are making case when there is none.
It's all right. It's okay. That shouldn't be my headache. My stand is to say the truth and nothing but the truth. Honestly.
I don't see the reason they are making case when there is none.
That is not my business. It's all right. I think the only thing is just for me to say the truth and nothing but the truth. If they like, let them do the ordinary, the other way around. I don't care. All I know is that God is watching all of us. I leave it in the hands of God.
It's all right. We'll know that in our next sitting.
Don't mind them. They're stupid set of people. Living by money every time.
Oh, Mabel, how are you?
It's all right. Be careful. Be careful.
She's a full-grown woman. Very soon we'll be celebrating our one carry.
Thank you so much. I think I want my baby guy.
I'll talk to you later, sir. Alright, sir. Thank you, sir. Hello? Hello? Excuse me.
How can I help you?
You look beautiful. You're Mabel, right? Reverend Jude's sister.
Yes, but I can't remember your face. I don't think I know you.
Oh, yes, I know you can remember me, actually. I was in SS2 with your brother Ken when you were in JSS3.
That's a long time. Ken actually died last year.
Oh, I heard, but I wasn't in the country then. I'm so sorry about your loss.
Fine.
So where are you heading?
I'm actually going to the market.
Okay, hope you don't mind if I give you a lift.
No, I'm good. Thank you very much. Thanks.
Okay. May I have your number? I would like to see you again. Right. Thank you.
You can flash my scene.
Okay, I'll do that.
Thank you.
Bye.
This is beautiful.
How did it go?
Same story every time. Getting a job in this Lagos is not easy. I'm getting tired of job hunting.
I know. But you don't need to get tired. Okay? That's what makes you man. Meanwhile, I saw something online today. I'll look into it and see what I can do. Alright?
You saw something online?
Yes. Don't worry, I'll take care of it.
Ken, please, forgive me, I'm sorry. Ken, I'm sorry. Ken, please, forgive me, I'm sorry. Ken.
Are you okay?
Yes.
I thought I heard you say Ken.
I did?
What is it? Are you alright?
I had a nightmare.
A nightmare?
Yes. So I have to use the restroom.
Babe.
Hey, if I can turn back the hands of time, I will correct my mistakes in the past. Yeah. I wish I had my way. I wish it's possible to go back to my past. Then I'll right on my wrongs. Oh, I wish it's possible. I wish I had my way to go back to.
I'm sorry, Ken. It wasn't intentional. I'm really sorry.
Please forgive me. Sorry, my friend. Sorry, my friend. I don't know what I am doing. Please forgive me. If I can turn back the hands of time, I will not do mistakes that I've done. Hey, if I can turn back the hands of time, I will correct my mistakes.
Joe, is anything the matter?
Yeah, I'm fine. All right.
You fine? Are you sure of it?
Yes. It's some work issues.
Okay. Do you want to talk about it?
No. I will fix it. It's not that serious.
Well, if you say so.
Father, you are welcome to our parish.
Thank you.
I hope you will enjoy your stay in our parish.
Yes, I will. What is your name?
Father, my name is Vincent. I am the senior altar boy.
Okay. So I guess you're here to take me around the church.
Yes, Father, and I hope you will enjoy your stay here.
I will. I will.
If I can turn back the hands of time, I will undo mistakes that I've done. Hey, if I can turn back the hands of time, I will correct my mistakes in the past. Yeah. I wish I had my way. I wish it's possible to go back to my past. Then I'll right on my wrongs. Oh, I wish it's possible. I wish I had my way to go back to my past and right on my wrongs. Hey, sorry, my friend. Sorry, my friend. I don't know what I am doing. Please forgive me. Sorry, my friend. Sorry, my friend. I don't know what I am doing. Please forgive me. If I can turn back the hands of time, I will undo mistakes that I've done. Hey, if I can turn back the hands of time, I will correct my mistakes.
I think there's something going on with you.
Could it be the work issue you told me about?
Work issues?
Yes. I saw him the other day. He was looking sober. When I asked him what was wrong, he said it has to do with his job, but he's going to fix it.
No. This is different. Last night in his sleep, he kept calling Ken, and was asking him to forgive him.
He did?
Yes. I don't know, on several occasions I've actually seen him talking to himself.
What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you?
I don't know. I've been feeling dizzy.
Okamaka, greetings.
Greetings to you.
Well done. My friend Victor asked me to get you. He wants to show you something very important.
Really?
Yes.
I'll see.
So tell me, what do you do?
I recently just finished school, but I am job hunting. Finished my NYC.
Job hunting in this village? Why not go to the city?
Actually, I will, but my mom just went to the city, and I can't leave my father all alone. I have to wait for her till she comes back.
Sounds interesting. You're a good daughter, trust me. Most girls of nowadays won't even give it a thought. Everyone is in a hurry of going to the city.
Well, I think there's time for everything.
You're right. You said you read civil engineering?
Yes.
So that means you have idea in building?
Of course.
Interesting. It's okay. Let's go to the site so you show me what you got.
No, I can't come with you. I need to go for my father. I have to go home.
It's okay, I can understand, but I promise we won't take long and I'll bring you back home. Alright? Okay, fine, let's go.
Hey, if I can turn back the hands of time, I will correct my mistakes in the past. Yeah. I wish I had my way. I I wish it's possible to go back to my past. Then I'll right on my wrongs. Oh, I wish it's possible. I wish I had my way to go back to my past and right on my wrongs. Hey, sorry, my friend. Sorry, my friend. I don't know what I am doing. Please forgive me. Sorry, my friend. Sorry, my friend. I don't know what I am doing. Please forgive me. If I can turn back the hands of time, I will not do mistakes.
Please, I'll stop here. I think I'm comfortable here.
Why?
I don't want my father to see me.
If you say so.
Thank you very much.
I should be the one thanking you.
For what?
For your time. I really enjoyed your company. And I hope I get a chance to meet you again.
Perhaps.
You're a beautiful and intelligent girl. And I think I like you.
Thank you. Please, I need to go now. I don't want my father to see me here.
It's fine. Just be a good girl, okay? Hope to see you again.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
She's so beautiful. Wow. Beautiful girls everywhere. You know, I don't know. It's just overwhelming for me. You know.
Honey? Where are you going?
I have an emergency meeting with a client in Abuja tomorrow morning.
Oh, I see. Well, lunch is served. Don't you think you should eat before leaving?
No, I'm fine. I'm not hungry.
Okay, how long are you staying?
Just 2 days. Mama, in case you need anything, just call me. Right?
Oh, no problem. Don't you think you give the baby's kiss before leaving?
No, I'll see them back. I have to run along so I don't miss my flight.
You want to save Johnny, eh? Save.
Did you see that?
See what?
Mama, he did not even come close to the baby, even when you asked him to.
Maybe because he's in a hurry.
Huh?
Where do I go from here? I just need somewhere to clear my head. I need peace of mind. I just need peace of mind.
There is no hiding place for the weekend.
Holy Ghost fire! Holy Ghost fire! Holy Ghost fire! Holy Ghost fire!
Hey, if I can turn back the hands of time, I will correct my mistakes in the past. Yeah. I wish I had my way. I wish it's possible to go back to my past. Then I'll right on my wrongs. Oh, I wish it's possible. I wish I had my way to go back to my past and right on my wrongs. Hey, sorry, my friend. Sorry, my friend. I don't know what I am doing. Please forgive me. Sorry, my friend. Sorry, my friend. I don't know what I am doing. Please forgive me if I can turn back the hands of time. I will not do a mistake.
Please, is there any Reverend Father around? There's a confession I need to make. It's very urgent.
Okay, the priest is in his office and it's not yet time for confession. Maybe you can come tomorrow morning after morning mass.
No, please. I need to see him. It's very urgent. I can't wait till tomorrow. Please help me.
Okay, wait right here.
Okay.
I wish I had my way. I wish it's possible to go back to my past. Then I'll right on my wrongs. Oh, I wish it's possible. I wish I had my way to go.
Good day, Father. Good day. There is a man outside. He wants to make a confession.
I'll tell him to come tomorrow after morning mass.
Father, the man is distressed and he begged me to help him. I think he's in troubles.
All right. Send him to the confession room.
If I can turn back the hands of time, I will correct my mistakes in the past.
Father, forgive me for I have sinned. It's been 1.5 years since last I went for confession. I've lied countless times. I paid thugs to kidnap my best friend, Kenneth Daniels. I only wanted to extort money from him, but they shot him. They killed him, Father. I've lived in this guilt all along. His spirit is haunting me. I want God to forgive me. I need peace of mind. Father, please forgive me. I'm sorry, Father.
This is unbelievable. Jesus. Who could have thought that Joe could hurt a fly? Hi. No wonder he agreed to marry Silva just to keep Ken's child. Or could it be that he did it just to take Silva away from Ken? Hi. Heart of men. Heart of men are indeed evil. No. I can't keep calm. I can't keep calm. I can't. I must act fast. Yes. I must act fast.
Mabel, do you know him?
Yes, Papa. I met him on my way to the market a few days ago.
On your way to the market? Young man, you're welcome.
Thank you very much, sir.
So who are you and who is your father?
My name is Emenike, the son of Walter Okeke from Eziama community.
Walter Okeke. Walter, that name rings bell. The neighboring village.
Yes, sir.
Ah, he's a good man. I know him. Are you sure? I see. It's okay. Mabel, go to the fridge and get something chilled for our visitor. Okay.
It's a privilege being here, sir. I brought this wine here to make my intentions known to you. I want to marry your daughter, Mabel.
You want to marry my daughter, Mabel? That's a good one. Have you made your intentions known to her?
Oh, not yet. I thought it's a good idea I see you first.
No, it's not a bad idea that you're seeing me. But courtesy and tradition demands that you have to seek her opinion. Okay?
Can I see her now?
Please do. Just make yourself comfortable, okay?
You have a very beautiful compound.
No, go in and see her. Okay, just go. Go in and see her. Oh, wow. Are you for real?
Honestly, I thought you were one of those guys who just wanted to have fun with me and run away.
No. Far from it. You're a very brilliant, smart, beautiful, and intelligent girl. I know there's something unique about you. No one is perfect, they say, but I think you're perfect for me. Right from the very first day I met you, I know you're my missing link. Mabel, please, will you marry me? Come on. Thank you. Oh my goodness. I'm so lucky. I never knew I would find a perfect woman like you. No one is perfect, I know, but you're perfect for me.
If I can turn back the hands of time, I will not do mistakes that I've done. Hey, if I can turn back the hands of time, I will correct my mistakes in the past. Yeah. I wish I had my way. I wish it's possible to go back to my past. Then I'll right on my wrongs. Oh, I wish it's possible. I wish I had my way to go back to my past and right on my wrongs. Hey, sorry my friend. Sorry my friend. I don't know what I am doing. Please forgive me. Sorry my friend. Sorry my friend.
Queen in the able. Yeah, who's there? Come in, the door is open. You're welcome.
Hey.
Thank you.
Welcome.
How are you?
Father, welcome. Welcome, my son.
How are you doing?
Very well, please have a seat.
Thank you.
Father, you didn't call to tell us you were coming. This is a surprise.
Though he called, but he said I shouldn't tell him that he wants it to be a surprise.
Mama, and you kept it from me. It's just the two of us in the house. You're very welcome, Father.
Thank you so much.
Welcome. Welcome, eh?
Thank you.
Thank God for joining us.
Where are the twins?
Oh, those ones. They finished eating everything in me and they decided to sleep. I just took them upstairs.
So, what about your husband?
he traveled. He ought to be back today. I'm even surprised he's not home yet. Yes. Enough of the talk. What do we offer you? In fact, let me get you a drink. I'll be right back.
Okay, my darling.
That's funny.
There's one more.
Mama! Mama! Mama, don't forget, I'm coming back now.
Well, yes, we'll finish the song. Father, how are you?
I'm fine. How have you been?
I'm fine. I'm fine, as you can see. They're taking good care of me. And the twins are making me so very happy. Unending happiness. That's what I feel now. I'm happy again.
That is good to know. So good to know.
How have you been?
Mama, I've been so fine.
Okay. Thank God for that. What was that thing you said you wanted to tell me on phone?
Mama, would you like to take the twins back to the village with you?
What sort of question is that? You know that is not possible.
Mama, just answer yes or no.
Of course, yes, I would love to.
Father.
Oh, you're back.
Good evening.
Hey, my son, you're back.
Yes.
Welcome, eh?
Thank you.
Thank God for joining us.
I'm sorry, Joe. Yes, Father. Can I have a word with you outside? Sure, Father. That's fine. Mama?
Welcome, eh? Hey. Hey, Chesa, Chedos, Magnus, Wind the
Mama?
Yes.
Where's father? And I thought I heard Joe's voice.
Yes, they both step out now.
Oh, so what do I do with it?
Drop the drink. You come and have it.
Okay. So let's go back. This Latin thing is not easy at all.
Latin.
Okay.
Okay. Where are we came from?
Magnus, that's all I got.
Okay. Magnus, Queen the Ebusu is flashing with.
Is it cool?
Oh,
that is for kidnapping my brother. That is for taking his fiancé from him. Joe, he loved you like a brother. He loved you like a brother. He loved you, Joe. Why did you kill him? Why? Why did you kill him, Joe? Why did you kill him, Joe? Father, you've been standing staring at me. And you're not saying anything. Is everything alright?
Joe, everything is fine. I was thinking if Mama can travel to the village with the children and spend some time with them.
If that will make her happy, then it's okay. But that's if Sylvia agrees.
You don't have to worry about that. I'll personally talk to her.
Right, Father.
Joe.
Yes, Father.
Is everything alright with you?
I mean, you can
talk to me. I'm like a brother to you.
Father, I'm fine. I'm okay.
Are you sure?
Yes. Everything is alright. I'm fine.
Alright. Let's go in.
Okay, fine.
Where do you think you're going?
I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I'm sorry. I've confessed all my sins. I need peace of mind. Please, Ken.
You have confessed to the wrong people. If you want peace of mind, go to my people and tell them what you have done.
I'm sorry.
Why are you kneeling down, son? What is the problem? Why are you kneeling down? Stand up now.
I will start by saying that I'm sorry to everyone here. I've really wronged you all deeply. I'm sorry.
You have wronged us how? You have been so nice to us, especially since your friend died.
Mama, please, can you allow him to finish talking?
Believe me, it wasn't intentional. I only allowed jealousy to take over me. I regret my actions every day. I'm sorry. I was...
If I can turn back the hands of time, I will undo mistakes that I've done. Hey, if I can turn back the hands of time, I will correct my mistakes in the past. Yeah. I wish I had my way. I wish it's possible to go back to my past. Then I'll right on my wrongs. Oh, I wish it's possible. I wish I had my way to go back to my past and right on my wrongs. Hey, sorry my friend. Sorry my friend. I don't know what I am doing. Please forgive me. Sorry, my friend. Sorry, my friend. I don't know what I am doing. Please forgive me. If I can turn back the hands of time, I will undo mistakes that I've done. Hey, if I can turn back the hands of time, I will correct my mistakes in the past. Yeah.
Well, you are welcome to my home.
Your home?
Of course, yes, my home.
Man, damn!
You love it?
I love it! I love it! Bro, you see this your new job? This your new job now, mad one. Like, now blast! If I get this kind of job, then I'm made for life. Eh?
This kind of job?
Yes!
You want to be made for life, working for some other man. That's not possible. You should be thinking of having your own company and not working for some other person.
Well,
right?
all I need right now is just a job. If I get a good job, I'm fine. I'm good to go.
Listen, I've got plans for you. I have something in stock for you, so just come inside.
Whatever thing you are working for me, make sure you don't go. Congratulations to a new beginning.
Thank you very much, brother. Cheers.
You know, when you talked about this years back, I thought you were joking. I never knew you were serious.
You thought I was joking, right?
Yeah.
Well, I'll tell you. Whatever I cannot put my mind to do, I execute. Although it was, I'll say difficult, but I had to do what I had to do to survive.
Sure.
I tell you, I put in my life savings to make sure this company came to reality. And guess what?
Just spell it.
I am about to hit my first and major contract with a Chinese company. A contract worth billions of naira.
Hey! This is huge, bro. This is too much.
Very huge, I tell you.
Wow! Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you.
He is always ahead of me. Why? Why is he always ahead of me? Things works for him so easily. At first, he got a job before me. A good job. He bought a car before me. And now, a house. He owned a house before me. And now, he owns a company. Not just that. He's about to sign a multi-million naira deal with a company. Yeah, hello. He just left now. Make sure you do a clean job and don't touch his life. He's my best friend. Good. Let me know as soon as you have him in your custody for further instructions. Yes, I will send you your balance as soon as you're done with the job.
Yes, it's me. Please, there's a situation at my father's house right now. Can you come with your boys? Alright, thank you.
You killed my own son! You killed who? My own son! I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
How have you been, Mama?
I'm fine, my son. Why haven't you visited for a while?
I'm very sorry, Mama, but I've been very busy with work.
Is that why you look so pale?
No.
What is it, my son? You don't look happy.
Mama, it's about Joe.
What about Joe?
He has no family. He's an orphan. I'm the only friend he has. The reason I'm telling you this is because I want you to help him.
Me?
Yes.
How?
Why have you left me? What have I not done to better the lives of my daughters? Why has my chief left me to grope in the dark? Alas, if empires only rise to fall, why then should they rise alone? Why? Is this the end of mankind? The final decision on how to take suicide. Why am I living? Why am I living?
Papa. Papa, we don't want you to worry anymore, please. Please, I am a sister here. You know we've wronged you. Yes. Papa, we know we have never been the better children to you. We have portrayed all manner of characters towards you. We've never shown you love as our father. But Papa, from the depth of our heart, forgive us. We are now a changed children and we'll do a better children to you, Papa, please.
I've been asking myself, why did your mother left me to suffer? Why?
Papa, please, we do not want you to worry anymore. From our heart, we promise to make a change. Papa, please. Honestly, we can't even say what was wrong with us, but we just realized we have not been doing the right thing. Please forgive us, Papa.
Excuse me, are you promising me that you will not go after those boys again?
No, no, Papa. We can't even go close to them, please.
I swear,
yes.
Papa.
I promise. I will not.
Why suddenly you changed?
Papa, we've seen that there is no gain
honestly,
inside.
Papa.
No gain, nothing.
You know that sometimes when one sits and begin to think about where he or she is going to or where he or she is coming from, we have thought about our lives. It gave us a clear vision that our end will not be good. We do not want our lives to end in shame, Papa. I know that I am your first daughter. And I misled my sister here, Rita. I am sorry, Papa. Please forgive me. Papa, I am sorry.
That I have forgiven you. Huh?
Papa, are you sure?
Yes.
You're not angry with us anymore.
No. It's human. To forgive is divine.
Thank Thank you, Papa.
You see,
Papa, one more thing. We have made up our mind to go to the city and join Sister Oge to learn her craft. Yes. Yes, we want to
go. For this, I will sell my land to support you. And you must finish your school. I want you to be a lawyer.
Papa, she's very brilliant.
I want her to be a lawyer. I've always told her I want her to be my defendant. In this village, she will be my defendant.
I will defend you, Papa.
I will call.
Can we stand up there?
No, stand.
Papa, you know what? Today, I will cook your favorite soup.
Ofe Salah.
Ofe Salah. Okay, you want Ofe Salah instead.
It's okay. I will call Osama.
Papa, let's make your favorite.
Hey. Because of our life, I thank you. Hey! You're my man, you're my dima, you're my irimo. Oh, them that put it for my head, that put it for my eye. You're my irimo, you're my.
Hello, Mama. I'm fine. How are you? What about you? You want all charges about him dropped? Mama, why? I mean, he's due for court next week. Is that what you want? It's fine. I will do what you want.
That you will be there for me. Come rain, come shine, and you made it a reality. Cause all those things you promised is the source of my joy. You and I building our life together, and everything is falling in shape. But before I knew it, you left me alone. You got me crying.